Welcome to the project demonstration of Smart Energy Meter through IoT Cloud Platform. We are going to log the data into the ThingSpeak. So here we are going to log the data like voltage, current, power, and how much of energy we have consumed, total energy consumed, and frequency, as well as power factor values. Total 6 parameters we are going to upload to the ThingSpeak Cloud Platform. So those 6 parameters achieved with the help of this PZEM004T module. So which provides us the TTL output. So that was interfaced to our Arduino Uno board H pin number 8 and 9. So the data cloud sending to the cloud through the ESP8266 module, and so which is interfaced 0 and 1, and the so-called 6 parameters displayed on the LCD display continuously, so which is interfaced pin number 2 to pin number 7. So total system getting power supply from this regulated power supply board. So this will take 230 volts AC input. So parallelly we are providing 230 volts AC to the loads through this PZM module as well as toroid coil. So this regulated power supply board consists of 4 stages. One is step down, and next rectifier, and next filter, and next regulation. So step down to step down the AC 230 volts to 12 volts AC, and rectifier to convert the AC to DC, and filter to remove the pulses and provide us a pure DC voltage, and regulation to provide us the constant 5 volts DC power supply. So once we execute before execution of this project, so we need to do some initial steps. That is, go to hotspot settings of your phone. This is very important. So by using your hotspot and data only, the system will upload the data to the ThingSpeak. Change the hotspot name to project 5234, all are small letters without any space, and a password 129. So check it twice before switching on the kit. So after enable the hotspots and data, you should enable the data also, right? So data also enabled, and now log into the ThingSpeak Cloud Platform, and now switch on the kit. So initially there is a welcome message on the LCD screen. As of we have connected the 60 watts load here, so which is 60 watts, and the next is the 100 watts load, right? So now as of now we connected 60 watts load. So we got the data. First one is the voltage, and next one is the current, and next one is the watts, how much of power consuming now. So this is the energy, how much of total energy consumed, kWh. This is the watts, kWh, and frequency and power factor value. I'm repeating: voltage, current, watts, kilowatt hour, frequency in hertz, and power factor value. So by using your mobile phone data internet, so the system will upload the data to the ThingSpeak Cloud Platform. So this is the data we are getting now, till now. So voltage, current, and power, energy kWh, frequency hertz, and power factor values. So when you click on this, they will get the parameter values over here. So if you want to fetch the data, so before erasing that, go to data import export, download the data. So it will be downloaded in CSV format, and it will open the Excel sheet format. So CSV is comma separated values. So directly in that one you will get the date and time along with number of entries and how many data are happened, right? So this is the date and the number of entries, how many till now we got. So as we discussed, voltage, current, and the power, and the energy, frequency, as well as power factor value, right? And now, so you can erase it now as we have downloaded that. So for that, go to channel settings. In that, clear channel. Okay. Now the data got cleared. And now go to private view. So there you get the now just we got the new data over here. So we can check the time. Right. So now let us see on by adding the extra load. So you can connect up to 1000 watts of load on this section. So if you can connect the induction motors also to get the power factor values. Right. So 172. So we are getting the total 6 parameters, right?